Alerting is your go-to solution for creating notification for events triggered by various factors. This includes monitoring email authentication protocols, such as when the DMARC record is no longer set to full enforcement, and tracking user activity, such as suspicious logging attempt. The feature allows you to configure individual alerts in great details, choosing the delivery method or channel for receiving these notifications, whether it's via email or Google Chat. You can also specify recipients if you opt for email notifications about the event. Please note the delivery method of these notifications is highly dependent on the license tier. You can access the alert screen by selecting Pulse in the main menu sidebar and alerts from the sub-menu. Please note it is required to have the correct access right to access this feature. If the icons are grayed out, please contact your local administrator. The first step is to set up a channel. The default channel, which will always be present, is direct email. Once you have set up your recipient and channel as required, you can set up an alert. You can create an alert based on many different events. Events are divided into categories, resources, and actions. You can select a specific event or all events when selecting multiple events. In the next few minutes, I am going to go run you through the required step to set up an alert. So you click on Alerts, you click on Create an Alert, and the first step is to name the alert. Give the alert a name. This name is limited to 100 characters and should be relevant to you, so it makes it easily identifiable when you look at it from the main alerts page. You then set up the event setting. So for this demo, I'm going to set up an alert that is monitoring on my DMARC records. So I go to the DNS, because these are the DMARC records from the DNS. DMARC, all actions. There is possible to amend this to changes, detected multiple changes. And then the severity. You got error, warning, or informational. That means that you will get an event for anything that happens in the DNS. So if you look at the alert scope, you will be receiving alerts that are marked in the monitor with one of the relevant labels. Okay, our advice is to maybe, for the purpose of DNS, is to drop the informational, otherwise you'll get too many emails. After that, choose in the advanced filter section if you want to select specific alerts. So if you only want to create very detailed alerts, advanced filters let you further tailor them. Choose in the Advanced Filters section if you want to select specific alerts within your alert scope. For example, for DMARC, I only want to have the DMARC errors, just as an example. After that, you can then filter by spaces, group, or domains. So it means that if you want to only look at the DMARC records of your sending domains, you can then select a group where you may have placed all your sending domains and then ensure that this is set up. Once this has been done, you need to select the channel. So I will send these via direct email, and then you click on Save. The alert will then be saved. It is important to note that all DMARC Manager's alerts are sent from mailing@m.dmarcmanager.app. If you require further assistance with setting up any kind of alerts, please feel free to get in touch with our support team.